Good morning. I want to return this item to your shop.
Good morning. My name is Mark. How can I help you today?
I bought this electric kettle here 3 days ago.
I see the box. Is there a problem with the device?
Yes, it does not work correctly. The water does not get hot.
That is very strange. This is a very popular model in our store.
I tried it 4 times this morning. The light is on, but the water is cold.
I'm very sorry to hear that. We want our customers to be happy.
It was a gift for my mother. Now I feel very bad about it.
Do not worry, Anna. We can solve this problem together right now.
Thank you, Mark. I have the kettle inside this original box.
That is perfect. It is much easier to return items in the box.
I also have all the plastic bags and the manual.
You are a very organized customer. Many people throw the box away.
I always keep the packaging for 1 week. It is a good rule.
I agree with you. It saves a lot of time for everyone.
Can I get my money back today, or do I need to wait?
I need to check the receipt first. Do you have it with you?
Yes, I have it in my small purse. Let me find it.
Take your time. I'm opening the box to look at the kettle.
I hope it is not a big problem. I just want hot tea.
I understand you perfectly. Everyone loves a good cup of tea.
I found the receipt. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me look at the date and the price.
It was $35. I paid with my credit card.
The date is correct. You bought it on Tuesday afternoon.
Yes, that is right. It was a very rainy day.
I remember that rain. I was at work all day.
Now I am here again. I hope this visit is fast.
I will do my best. Let's look at the kettle now.
Is the receipt okay? The ink is a bit light.
It is fine. I can see the store number and the code.
I am happy about that. I was worried about the ink.
Our machines are old. Sometimes the paper is not very dark.
Do you need my ID card? I have it in my hand.
No, I do not need it yet. The receipt is enough for now.
What is your return policy? Can I return anything in 7 days?
Yes, our policy is very simple. You have 14 days for electronics.
14 days is a long time. That is very good for customers.
We want people to trust us. Quality is very important here.
I usually like your shop. I bought my TV here last year.
Oh, I remember that sale. It was a very big television.
Yes, it works perfectly. My children love to watch cartoons on it.
That makes me happy. But today we have a small kettle problem.
It is a small problem, but I need a kitchen.
I am checking the warranty now. It says 2 years.
2 years is great, so the repair is free?
Since it is new, we do not repair it. We replace it.
Oh, that is much better. I do not want a repaired kettle.
I understand. A new item is always the best choice.
Do you have the same model in stock? I like the silver color.
I need to check my computer. 1 moment, please.
I am waiting here. The store is very busy this morning.
Yes, it is Friday. Many people buy things for the weekend.
I see many people with new coffee machines.
Coffee is very popular now, but tea is a classic choice.
I agree. Tea is very peaceful and nice.
I am typing the code now. The system is a bit slow.
No problem. I am not in a rush today.
Thank you for your patience. I'm looking at the screen.
What do you see on the computer? Is it there?
The system says we have 2 more silver kettles.
That is wonderful news. I really like that design.
Before I get the new one, I must check this kettle.
Of course. Please look at the bottom part.
I am looking at the heating element. It looks very clean.
I only used it with fresh water. I am very careful.
I can see that. There are no scratches on the metal.
I think the problem is in the cord. It feels a bit loose.
Let me check the plug. You might be right about this.
When I move the wire, the light goes off.
Yes, I see it now. The connection is not very strong.
Is that a common problem, or am I just unlucky?
It happens sometimes. It is a factory mistake.
I am glad it is not my fault. I was worried.
You did nothing wrong. It is a simple technical error.
Can I try the new kettle here in the shop?
Yes, we have a water station over there. We can test it together.
That is a very good idea. I do not want to come back a third time.
I understand. Your time is very valuable.
Thank you, Mark. You are very helpful and kind.
It is my job to help. I like to solve problems.
You are a very good worker. This shop is lucky to have you.
Thank you for the compliment. It makes my day better.
I will tell my friends to come here. They need new toasters.
We have a sale on toasters next week. Tell them to wait.
That is a great tip. I will send them a message later.
I am putting the old kettle back in the box now.
Okay, what is the next step in the process?
I need to print a return form for you to sign.
Is the return form long? I do not like a lot of paper.
No, it is very short. It just says you returned the item.
Okay, do I need to write my address on the form?
Yes, please. And your phone number too.
I am writing it now. My handwriting is not very good.
Do not worry. I can read it perfectly.
I am finished. Here is the pen.
Thank you. Now I am scanning the form into the computer.
Does the computer send me an email?
Yes, you will get a confirmation in 5 minutes.
That is very modern. I like digital things.
It is much faster than the old way. We save trees too.
I like saving trees. It is important for the planet.
I agree. We try to use less paper in this store.
Now about the new kettle. Can you bring it now?
Yes, I am going to the warehouse. It is behind that door.
I will wait here at the counter.
I will be back in 2 minutes. Do not go away.
He is a very fast walker.
I'm back. I found a perfect one.
That was very quick. The box looks very clean.
I checked the box for any damage. It is perfect.
Can we open it now? I want to see the color.
Of course, I have a small knife to open the tape.
The silver is very bright. It looks better than the first one.
It is the same model, but this one is brand new.
I am very happy now. It is a beautiful machine.
Let's go to the water station. We can test it now.
Lead the way, Mark. I am right behind you.
It is just near the coffee machines. Follow me.
Here is the water. How much do we need for the test?
Just a little bit. We only need to see if it gets hot.
I am pouring the water now. It is very easy to fill.
That is a good feature. Some kettles are very difficult to use.
I am closing the lid. It has a nice clicking sound.
Now I am plugging it into the wall. Watch the light.
The blue light is on. That is a good start.
Can you hear the sound? It's starting to boil.
Yes, I hear the water. It is much louder than the old one.
That means the heating element is working very well.
I can see some steam now. It is getting very hot.
It works perfectly. Are you satisfied with this one?
Yes, I am very satisfied. It is a great kettle.
I am glad we tested it. Now you can go home happy.
Thank you for the test, Mark. It makes me feel safe.
It is better to be sure. No more cold water for your mother.
She will be so happy tonight. She loves her afternoon tea.
Does she like green tea or black tea?
She likes herbal tea. It helps her to sleep well.
Herbal tea is very healthy. I like peppermint tea myself.
Peppermint is very fresh. I have some in my kitchen.
I am unplugging the kettle now. Be careful, it is hot.
I will wait a minute. I do not want to burn my hand.
I have some paper towels. We can dry it before we pack it.
You think of everything. You are a very good manager.
I try to think like a customer. It helps a lot.
That is a very good philosophy for a business.
Now the kettle is dry and cool. Let's put it in the box.
I will help you with the bags.
Teamwork makes the job easy. We are finished here.
Do I need to pay anything extra? Is there a fee?
No, there is no fee. It is a direct exchange.
That is excellent. I like free services.
Since it was a factory mistake, we pay for everything.
Here is your pen again. Do I need to sign the screen?
Yes, please sign this digital tablet. It is the final step.
I am signing my name. It looks like a little bird.
It is a very nice signature. Thank you, Anna.
Am I all set now? Can I take the box?
Yes, you are finished. The kettle is yours.
I will put the receipt inside the box this time.
That is a very smart idea. Keep it for the warranty.
I will keep it for 2 years. I am a careful woman.
I can see that. You are a very good customer.
Thank you for your help today, Mark. You saved my gift.
It was my pleasure. I hope your mother likes the tea.
I'm sure she will. Have a wonderful day at the shop.
Thank you. I hope the rest of your day is sunny.
It looks bright outside. I'm going to the bakery now.
Fresh bread and hot tea. That is a perfect afternoon.
You are right. Maybe I will buy some cookies too.
Cookies are always a good idea. Enjoy your lunch.
I will see you next time.
Drive safely with your new kettle.
I will be very careful. Thank you again.
You are welcome. Our store is always here for you.
I know that now. You are a very reliable shop.
That is our goal. Have a nice weekend.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.